Hello everyone, welcome back to TLT Studio, and today we're going to look at how to recover deleted files from flash drives. Alright, now this is a headache, I can tell you for sure. Having an important document on your flash drive and then accidentally you deleted it or accidentally it got corrupt. Trust me, normal if you lose a very important file. Alright, so the purpose of this tutorial is to show you if by accident you deleted an important file or you lose an important file on your flash drive, this is the solution. Alright, so let's jump right in. So I'm going to show you the full step in recovering your flash drive. Alright, so the first step is to get a software by the name of Recuva. It's R-E-C-U-V-A, Recuva. I am going to leave the link in the description where you can download this software that you're going to use to recover your flash drive. Alright, now the first step is to download it. So you're going to click download free version, free download, and we're going to go down and click download. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're just going to give it a few seconds, download really fast. You're going to double click yes, alright, and we're going to install. Alright, so we're going to run Recuva. Alright, and this is it. Alright, so this is the wizard for Recuva. Alright, but just before we run this software, I am going to delete 3 files from my flash drive before I run the software and try to recover it. Alright, so we have 3 files. I deleted this 2, I deleted this 3. Alright, so we're going to delete these 3 files from the flash drive, and then we try to use the software to recover it. Alright, but just something to understand with your flash drive. Alright, you see, when you delete a file from your flash drive, the best thing to do is to stop use the flash drive. Alright, because your flash drive, it reads and writes information to and from the flash drive. So if you delete a file and you're still using the flash drive, you just might lose the chance of recovering the file. Alright, so I'm going to explain that a little bit more when we get into the software. Alright, so let's delete the files, and we're going to click yes. Alright, so the files are deleted. So let's go to the software, Recuva. Alright, so this is the whiz. So we're going to click next, and this is asking what type of file you would like to recover. Alright, now I find it very important to just click all files. Alright, so you might lose a file and you don't even remember if it was a picture or a music or a document, so it's just best to just click all files. Click next. Now this is saying where were the files. Alright, so you can recover files from your computer as well with this software. Alright, but in this case we're going to recover it from the flash drive. So we're going to click in specific location, and then we're going to click browse, and then we're going to find the flash drive that we would like to recover. the files from, and then we click OK. Alright, so it's a G. Then we're going to click next, and then we're also going to click enable deep scan. Alright, I find the software to work a little bit more effective when I click deep scan. Alright, so we're going to scan the flash drive, and then we're going to click start. I'll just give it a few seconds. Alright, now as I said, when you delete a file from your flash drive, you should not continue to use the flash drive unless you're going to run the recovery software and try to recover the files. If you delete something from the flash drive and then at the same time you're sending information to the flash drive, or you're sending information from the flash drive, you run the risk of not recovering the deleted file. So that is very important. Alright guys, so we have the result from the scan, and as you can see, here are the files that were deleted. Alright, now very important, you see the color at the end, or the color code at the end of the file, and I'm going to explain this because this is very important. Now the color determines the state of the file. Alright, any file that you see in the scan that have a red color code, it means that the file is unable to be recovered. Alright, sadly not all files are able to be recovered, and this brings back to the point where I told you guys that it is very important for you not to use the flash drive after you deleted a file or after a file has been corrupt. Alright, do not send anything to it, do not send anything from it, because this will affect the software as you for it to recover the file properly. This will affect it. Alright, now the next color code is yellow. Now yellow simply means that it is able to recover the file, however not all of the file is going to be recovered. Alright, now this is good and bad at the same time, seeing that you're not able to get back the full file as is, however you're able to get back sections of the file. So if it's a video file, you might be able to get back some of it. If it's like a document, you probably get back some of the document. But what I know, it is better to get back piece of a deleted piece of an important file than not getting back anything at all. Alright, so it is good and it's bad at the same time. Now the files that has the green color code at the end, it simply means that the state is excellent, meaning that the software is able to recover the file without any issues. So whatever file you deleted, you will get it back as is. So that's what it is. Alright, so from here, what we're going to do, we're going to select the 3 files that were deleted from the flash drive. Alright, so we're going to select, I deleted this, I deleted this 2, and I deleted this 3. So these are the files we are trying to get back. Alright, now we're going to go to recover. Now we're going to select where we want the file to go. Now I do not recommend sending the file back to the flash drive when you're recovering a flash drive. I do not recommend it. Alright, what you do, you send it to the desktop of the computer that you're working from. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we're going to also make a folder, right, and that's where we're going to send it. Alright, so we're going to select OK, and just like that, the files were recovered. So this is the information. Total files recovered is 3, fully recovered 2, partially recovered 1. So this partially recovered file is the one with the yellow code. Alright, and then we're going to click OK. So we can minimize. Alright, here's the folder, and as you can see, the files were recovered. Alright, how cool is that? Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment and share, and please let me know if this works for you by commenting on this video. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. Alright, have a good day.